She was a fairy.
Patricia?
Hi, I'm your new neighbor.
Oh, hey, I heard you're our new neighbor.
Yeah, so I got this cake for you.
But where's the cake?
You know what I mean.
Want to see my bed?
Absolutely.
Oh, crap.
One more word, then you'll eat this bullet instead of her
Is
cake.
this like a welcome party for a new neighbor?
She just wanted to visit our house.
Did she?
I think I just peed myself.
Go home, Patricia.
Wait, really?
Yeah, you can leave now.
Have a good day. Stupid girl. Next time Ryan will be mine.